What is up, everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the XAPOFX1_5.DLL error that you may be getting for certain applications, right? So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to fix this is to basically just Google that DLL and find this specific page, or there's other DLL download page. And once you do, click into the downloads and make sure you either download the 32-bit or the 64-bit. You can download both as well, but you need to know basically what architecture your computer is. Again, you can just download both and then we can go from there. So once you've downloaded it, all you need to do is open up a folder and go to this PC, go into local disk C, go to program files, and in here, not program files, local disk C, Windows, so local this PC, local disk C, Windows. In here we're going to either find the system folder, system 32, where you place this 32-bit stuff, and the syswow 64-bit. So again, based on depending on the architecture you downloaded, you can just paste that in here for, again, the two different DLLs, so the 64-bit here and the 32-bit in the other one. Once you do that, restart your computer, you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys have a video, please thumbs up. On the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Motorola's out. Peace.